Hi, I'm going to show you a design with top and bottom. It's requirement of the buyer. It's a really interesting design. So I have already designed top and bottom. It's a 2D flat pattern. It's a cat pattern making with grading, and it's a 3D design. It's a 3D fit image. You see, this is a really good image, and I really like this image. So I already create it's the 2D pattern making. It's a Gerber and Lectra pattern. Then I can export by DXF, and here I make the 3D sampling. So after I open the DXF pattern, and then it's actually simulated, and it's first is showing and then simulated. Finally, it's the rendering the 3D image, and it's a review with buyer. The buyer really like this image. So now I'm going to show the tech pad. How I make the tech pad. So the buyer have a 3 requirement: 2D pattern making, 3D final fit sampling, and the final 3D tech pad. So I have already created the tech pad. You see, this is the tech pad overview. You see, this is the 3D fit image, except the dummy, and 2D flat image. This is created from the Illustrator. Here is a 2D flat image, and this is a 3D fitting render image by the Pro 3D. And this is for the Illustrator drawing image. We already created the flat image for back and front by Illustrator. And this is the flat image technical overview by Illustrator explanation, which the technical description are applied for these garments. And that's also same for the bottom. Include the reference image. Buyer also provide some reference image for following this tech pad, because buyer buyer is going to create the physical sampling by following this tech pad, following this the 2D picture, 2D flat pattern and 3D sampling. So I'm working a long time with this buyer, so it's a really good. So this is for the labeling. It's most important for image. This is by labeling image, and this another important thing is how to measure. See, how to accept the how to measure. Buyer cannot make this pattern. It cannot be fit perfectly. So this is the real how to measure by following our pattern. So this is my perfect pattern. By following this pattern, I make it how to measure. So how to measure, here I describe the grading pattern. See, by following this base size range, the M is the base size pattern. By following the base, I created the grading pattern here. See, this is the final measurement chart for the sampling pattern for the buyer. We go to after sampling is perfect, then we'll go to the bulk stage. So this is for the bottom. The bottom buyer like really bottom pattern, because it's a new buyer exceptional design. It's open side zipper, and the waist have also the elastic. It's the attachment. When the button is open, the elastic also closed by the button. So it's a really good design. So this is for how to measure for the bottom area. So it's this design also actual design. We have measure for this area. We have option for the it's called PUM, point of measurement. When I click this, click the measurement like this and that, the how to measure the point of measurement is showing. Though this I can measure it and create this how to measurement chart. So it's a really perfect measurement. So this is the final design for the tech pad measurement. So I hope we are creating 2D pattern making, 3D sampling and tech pad. So you are most welcome if you want to learn 3D design. 3 courses we are providing to you successfully. Thank you very much for watching.